Hi guys, I'm sorry that I'm not there today. I had to go to a football game tonight, so here is your notes for today. There's also a worksheet that goes along with the notes, so just follow along and get the answers, and make sure you put your name on your paper and turn it in after we're done. So we're on Chapter 2, A Living Planet, Section 1, The Earth Inside and Out. This shouldn't take too long, the objectives, of course, are to describe the solar system and the Earth's location in it. So where is the Earth located in the solar system? And describe the Earth's structure and the forces that created it. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Of course, the solar system. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is like 93 million miles away from the sun, so pretty far. The solar system consists of 8 different planets, and of course the sun in the middle. Also, there's other things in our solar system, like comets and asteroids. Comets are spheres covered with ice and dust that leave trails and vapor, just like the picture below. Alright, and asteroids are large chunks of rock. Alright, so there's our solar system. As you can see, we have 8 planets in the sun. Of course, the closest one to the sun is Mercury, followed by Venus, and Earth is right there in the middle. And then we have Mars and Jupiter, the large one. And then we have Saturn with the rings, Uranus, and then Neptune on the far right. The structure of the Earth. Earth is around about 24,000 miles in circumference, so it's pretty far if you ever wanted to drive it. Of course you can't because there's water. The Earth is divided into 3 different sections. You have the core, which is the center of Earth. It's made out of iron and nickel. As you can see on the picture, there's an outer and inner core. And then you have the mantle, which has several layers. You have the upper and lower mantle, and it's mostly made out of magma, which is molten rock, which moves and shifts, and that causes the crust, which is the outer layer, to move and shift, and causes earthquakes and other things to happen in our world. Then we have 4 different spheres. You have the atmosphere, which is the layer of gas that surrounds the Earth. Consists of oxygen. It also protects us against radiation from the sun, so we won't burn up. It also creates the weather and climates. Okay, so that's the reason why we live in these areas and different regions and stuff. The lithosphere is a solid rock portion of Earth. This also includes the ocean floors, so it goes under the water. It is mostly the crust and upper mantle. Of course, the lithosphere contains the continents. The continents are large land masses above the water, and we have 7 of those. 7 different continents. We have North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. The hydrosphere consists of all the water elements of Earth, and that includes the oceans, the seas, the river, the lakes, and the water that's in the atmosphere. So whenever it evaporates and goes into the air and condenses and turns into rain, that is also included in the hydrosphere. And the last one is the biosphere. That combines all three of them. So the atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. And this is where people, animals, and plants live in the biosphere. And you see right here, with this picture, you see the atmosphere up in the sky, the biosphere to the left of the tree, the lithosphere over there where the land is, the yellowish part, and the hydrosphere where the water is. And on the right side, you see all the 7 different continents: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. And finally, we have the continental drift theory. Alright, so Alfred Wegener stated that in 1912 that Earth was once a supercontinent, that it was once all put together, like the picture shows on the right, and then over millions of years it slowly drifted apart. And then it crashed against each other and split apart several times before it settled into what it is today. But it's still moving, so it is still not stationary, so it's still shifting. That's why we have earthquakes and all that. So I hope you got all your answers, and if you need me, you can email me, or you can wait till Monday. So have a good weekend, and I will see you on Monday.